Dear students, in this video you will learn about the removal of excess water by the plant body during the daytime and the night time. I know that you must be surprised to see this title, that why the plants are adapting to different modes of excreting the water or removing the water from their body during the daytime and night time. I'll show you the reason why. Let's start the video. Dear students, during the daytime the plants do transpiration. Why they are performing transpiration, you will come to know. Basically, transpiration is the process of removal of the excess water through the stomata, which are lying on the epidermis of the leaves. So, they are removing their excess water in the form of water vapor in the environment, in the air. Why is it happening in the daytime? The reason being photosynthesis. So, you know that during the daytime the plants are performing photosynthesis, and during this process they are taking in carbon dioxide gas from the surrounding through the stomata, and as this photosynthesis is a continuous process during the daytime, so these stomata are open on continuous basis during the daytime. During the process of photosynthesis, the plants are also absorbing water through their roots, and when they are combining, like the carbon dioxide gas and the water, they are combining in the presence of chlorophyll and the sunlight, they are preparing the food, that is glucose, and a byproduct, which is oxygen, is also released through the stomata. So once it is escaping out, the water vapors also escape out once the stomata are open during the daytime. So the reason for the transpiration to remove the excess water through the plant body via the stomata is the photosynthesis that is happening. This process is not present, that the photosynthesis is not happening during the night time. So usually these stomata are closed. Now the plants must have some sort of alternative route to remove the excess water from their plant body, because the roots are continuously absorbing water. They don't like the daytime or the night time doesn't matter to them. Their function is to absorb water, which is required by the plant body. But once the pressure is up in the plant body, then the roots this plant body must remove the excess water which is actually accumulating in its body. So the process that is used by the plants during the night time to remove the excess water, it is guttation, and it is happening through the water stomata, which are called the hydathode, and they are also lying along the epidermis, where these are found. These water stomata or the hydathode, they are found either on the edges or on the tip of the leaves, like the tips of the leaves and the sideways, the edges or the margins of the leaves, they are possessing the water stomata, which is basically the hydathode. So the excess water in the form of water drops, here the water is removed in the form of water drops to these hydathode, and this water is not a pure water. This is having certain nitrogenous compounds, certain amino acid in it, and this is how it is removed. And you can see during the night time then that the water droplets are accumulated at the edges of the leaf or the tip of the leaf. So this is basically the guttation. Okay, now here you can see the leaf epithelium, the vascular tissues like xylem is bringing that water, and there are vascular ending, then the epithelium is there, substomatal chamber is lying, and then finally we are having the hydathode, that is also called the water stomata. And once the process of guttation is happening, then you just like the leaves are looking as the teary leaves, because the water droplets are very prominent there. You cannot see the water vapor that is being removed by the process of transpiration, but you can observe the water vapor by the process of guttation, which is basically the process of removal of water to the hydathode, which is also known as water stomata. So I can show you the pic over here. These are the edges of the leaves, and you can see here the water droplets are coming out, and this is the leaf tip. So this is basically a demonstration of guttation of the fluid, that is the water, along with some amino acids, the nitrogenous compounds in it. So this is accumulated this way on the plant's leaves. Here I have mentioned some difference, like transpiration is the universal phenomenon which occurs in all plants. Guttation occurs only in herbs, especially in the members of the family Gramineae. Transpiration occurs through stomata, cuticle, or lenticels, while guttation occurs through hydrothodes or water stomata. Transpiration amount of water loss is enormous. Biggest amount is lost, while during guttation water loss is negligible. In transpiration, water is pure and is in the form of vapor, while in the guttation, the gutated water contains nitrogenous waste like amino acids, etc. It is impure and in the form of droplets. So this is all. I hope that you learned about the transpiration and guttation, that during the daytime the plants remove their excess water by the process of transpiration, while during the nighttime they remove their excess water by the process of guttation. Still, if you have any query, you may ask in the comment. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.